Assalamu alaikum. Today we will do words to know of lesson 5 Aamer's Cafe. Let's have a look on these words. First, adjacent. English meaning close to, lying near, adjoining. Urdu meaning जुड़ा हुआ. Number 2, assumed. English meaning taken on, adopted. Urdu meaning फर्ज करना. Number 3, cobbled. English meaning made of cobblestone, rounded paving stones. गोल हमवार पत्थर का बना हुआ. Number 4, mingled. English meaning mixed or came together. Urdu meaning घुल मिल जाना. Number 5, negotiations. English meaning discussions and agreement. Urdu meaning राज़ीनामा, मुज़ाकरात. Number 6, protruding. English meaning thrusting or sticking out of. Urdu meaning बाहर की तरफ निकला हुआ, फैला हुआ. Number 7, pulsating. English meaning throbbing, expanding and contracting like heartbeat. Urdu meaning धड़कना. Number 8, rubble. English meaning a loose mass of fragments, rocks. Urdu meaning malba. Number 9, strewn. English meaning spread, scattered. Urdu meaning फैला हुआ. Number 10, subconscious. English meaning not wholly conscious. Urdu meaning बेखबर, ला इल्मी. Number 11, throng. English meaning a large crowd. Urdu meaning भीड़. Number 12, venture. English meaning proceeded with something. Urdu meaning